Yes, everybody, wagwan. Today's episode is about what? It's about saltfish, Jamaican saltfish, everybody. Yeah, we all love a bit of saltfish, everybody. Yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you quick, fast, simple how to make saltfish, yeah, in easy stages. Boiling the saltfish, washing off the salt out of it, and then chopping up and then cooking up all the vegetables are good vibes. Thank you very much, everybody. We're there, we're in season 6. Big up yourself. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, people. Yeah, share it afterwards with friends and family. Thank you very much, everybody. We're there. Oi! Oi! All right, so what I want to do today, look at this. So I haven't had saltfish on the program for long, so I thought today what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some saltfish. Good vibes, good vibes. Big up, everybody. We're there. Washing off the saltfish. You know, one thing about saltfish, yeah, is that when you're just before you boil it, because with saltfish now, saltfish contains a lot of salt. So before you boil it, what I'm doing today is I just basically just wash off the salt first, pour off that water, and then I put it on to boil. Good vibes. We have some ingredients out here, people, yeah. Oi. Good vibes. Welcome to season 6, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ingo Vision, people, yeah. We're there.
24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
All that white froth, that's all the salt boiling out of the saltfish. So a good vibe. So if it depending on the texture of saltiness you want from your saltfish, determining the amount of time you boil it to get the salt out of it. Some people like their saltfish with a little bit of salt, some people like it a bit salty, and some people like it with less salt. But today what we're going to be doing, we're going to boil it with less salt, so not too much salt. As you can see, look at that, the pot's bubbling up, so you have to pay attention or else your pan's 100% gonna boil over. Carl, look, let me remove my pan from here so I can show you something. I just want to show you something. Look, okay. So what I want to show you is that there is not a lot of water in our pan, yeah, and you see how it just boiled up. So what I'm gonna do is bring it over here, strain off that set of water there. Woo! Steam up. So what we're gonna do, get the water from the kettle, from the pipe, and wash off that first set of water. A good vibe. Okay, so the camera went a bit blurry there. So look at this. All right, so let's pour out some of the water. We're not gonna have a lot of water in there. I'm just gonna show you what we're gonna do. Back on the pan again, and we're just gonna make that boil one more time before we go through the process of starting to use this pan to fry up our ingredients and things like that. So good vibes. So yeah, man, it's a saltfish episode today, people. Yeah, big up yourself. You're done now. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ingo Vision. We're there. Okay, not too much oil, just a tiny bit of oil. All right, so look, as you can see, it's not as much salt coming up to the surface of our pan. So you can see that, because before with the first boil, when it reached like this and it was bubbling, it was all frothing up, but now it's on a level. So in about a minute, I'm gonna turn off this pan and have good vibes, and then that's it. So what I'm gonna do is just get into the next stage of preparing the saltfish, everyone. Yeah, man, we've got some ingredients out here. Good vibes. Look, I don't know if you've seen the cassava the other day. I've got a next episode with the Gary. Check out the episode of the Gary. All right. So this is the actual cassava itself, everyone. Yeah. So big up yourself. We're there. Good vibes. Wow. All right. Good vibes. So everything's boiled. Quick little rinse off. Now that it's nice and cool, what I'm going to do is just take the saltfish out, pop it into a container. Good vibes. That is it, everybody. Next stage. gonna be boiling some corn today, so our good vibes. So we're just gonna pick up them corn here. Good vibes, washed already. Place them into that pot, new water, saltfish, and this pot here is gonna be dealing with some good vibes, some cassava, everyone. So we're gonna peel the cassava and put the cassava in the pan. I'm gonna wait for this one here to get hot so that we can start with the saltfish, our good vibes. Wow, I've just chopped the cassava, and look at that, beautiful. Yeah, man, we're just gonna use one piece of it today, yeah. So our good vibes, because we've also got some Irish potato and we've got some white yam as well. Our good vibes, our good vibes in the kitchen. Oh yeah, look, I've done chop up some peppers, some garlic, some carrot, and some red onions. Good vibes. Let's test the pan. Not ready yet, so needs to be hot a bit more, yeah. Our good vibes. So look at that. So the cassava now has just been chopped in half. I'm gonna peel it. Hey! Alright, so we're getting somewhere. The pan's starting to get hot. Good vibes. So what's gonna happen right now, we're gonna put the cassava over here with the corn and make them boil together. Good vibes. And over here, we're gonna put the yam and the Irish potato. Our good vibes. Look at that, look at that. So we've got yam, Irish potato, cassava, sweet corn. Boy, look at this. Good vibes, you know, Ringo. Good vibes. All right, everyone, if you like what you see right now, so we're on the process now, dealing with the saltfish, yeah? So we're dealing with the saltfish in a Ringo Vision style, because there's many ways to fry up saltfish, everyone, yeah? So our good vibes. So just watch this one, and I hope you enjoy this one, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself, you're done now. 24-hour kitchen. Good vibes. All right, so what I've done is just simply just chopped up all the vegetables, not all of them, but just the carrot, the pepper, the red onion, the garlic, and I'm just gonna make that infuse slowly and just go and take time and fry nice and slowly. Our good vibes. It's amazing. I can smell all the flavors from the onion and the garlic, especially. A good vibe. So what I'm doing now is adding some pumpkin. Nice. So I'm just gonna let everything just go and infuse nice and slowly. Good vibes. Wow, look at this. So the saltfish now, look, we're just gonna be adding bits of saltfish, just simple like this. Just break it apart. Like I said to you, there's many ways to cook saltfish, and this is just one simple way I'm showing you. But there's many other ways. We'll be doing more saltfish episode again very soon, everyone. Big up yourself, you're done now. So what I'm doing is just breaking the saltfish down with my fingers. Saltfish that's already been boiled out and everything. And good vibes. So next ingredient I'm going to be adding after I stir in the saltfish with everything that's already in the pan. I'm just going to be adding these simple ingredients. So what we've got here, we've got okra and more peppers. And what we've got here is some cho-cho that's chopped. And the way that the cho-chos are chopped, as you can see, they're chopped like that. So good vibes, everybody, yeah? Good vibes. Look at this, the Scotch bonnet pepper, we now leave it out. So wow, look at that. Yeah, man, the saltfish is just gonna go and cook down slowly with all the ingredients. I'm gonna close up our pan right now, everyone, yeah? So good vibes. Now we've just finally reached the final finale, everybody, yeah? So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, a season 6, yeah? And I'm just showing you some simple recipes that can be done at home. Hoi! Now I'll show you yet. Hoi! Things are gone! Yes, man. So I'm just showing you some simple recipes, yeah, that can be done at home, everyone, yeah. So saltfish is a simple one. Once you know the procedure and the level of saltiness that you're looking for from your saltfish, then you know that you're good. You're not gonna have a too salty saltfish, and you understand, and you can blend in the flavors of your ingredients that you add in. So our good vibes, everybody, yeah. Big up yourself. You're done now. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. We're fully active inside of the kitchen, everyone. Oi. Wow, amazing. If you can ever smell, woo, steam up, ever smell the flavors coming off of the saltfish, oh, this is amazing. Look at that. Look at how fine and delicate these ingredients, these vegetables have been chopped, everyone. Good vibes. We've got the corn and cassava here. We've got the Irish potato and yam here. Let's serve up. Let's serve up, everybody. That is it. And then you know we inside of the kitchen and pure vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, everybody. You know, so we're there. We're there, and it's a good vibe Saltfish episode. I hope you guys got the tips and the little gems. Saltfish, good vibes. Big up. You don't know, so we're there. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, Ringo, what's this? Saltfish, yeah, with a sprinkle of black pepper just to give it that little flair at the end. All right, no say nothing to you. Yes, everybody, this is it, everybody, yeah. The moment we've been all waiting for. The saltfish served up with the Irish potato, served up with the cassava, served up with the plantain, the corn and the cob, the white yam. Look at the saltfish, everybody. Whoa! Thank you very much, everybody, for staying tuned with this episode, yeah? Good vibes. Good vibes. Thank you.